is up, fellow YouTubers? It's your favorite goth bad boy, KingCobraJFS, back at you with another video. Boom! We at Taco Bell, not a sponsor. Got that receipt and enough sauce to do all three under one. YouTubers, we got them
greasy fucking alcoholic
situation going. We're gonna try to eat 12 of these in one sitting. I'm gonna make some room on the table. Man, I may end up taking 4 of these home with me, to be honest. Ooh-wee, boy Cobra getting full. We got like 4 of these bad boys left. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting full. Like I said, I'm not a competitive eater. 4 left, that's alright. Before you judge though, that was a lot of food in one sitting. You put nacho cheese and shredded cheddar cheese in between the shells, and some shredded cheddar, all your taco fixings on top. Oh my god. Toasted shredded cheddar, bacon quesalupa. Hashtag shredded cheddar. Alright. So we're gonna do a food challenge for the YouTube. You like the food challenges? Subscribe for more. Alright. So we got our 3 favorite hot sauces. We got the fire, the hot, and the Diablo. No copyright intended. I mix all 3 on my tacos because I'm just like that. Hopefully YouTube don't copyright strike me. Oh yeah. I appreciate that. We do a little food challenge. So we got 12 of these delicious Doritos nacho cheese tacos. Maybe next time I'll do it with shredded cheddar chalupa. Who knows? I'm not going for a time limit. My phone starts to die. I got my shredded cheddar charger. Here we go. Nacho cheese shell classic.
Oh, damn. Look at this whole fucking
nacho cheese Doritos Locos Tacos.
I bought the motherfucker today at the store. Oh, I'm about to sit here and devour because I'm a fucking glutton. Oh, going in my fucking gut.
We got 6 of these Supreme nacho cheese Doritos Locos Tacos. 6, I meant 12. Bah.
But not before I fucking drench it in fucking
all 3 of their hottest hot sauces.
Yeah, drench this baby in fucking
hot sauces.
Like I always do everything. Oh, yeah, on the fucking legs and thighs. Oh, yeah. I'm even gonna put more when I fucking eat it, piece by piece. Drenched in fucking
all 3 of their hottest hot sauces on each one. Got that tropical storm Mountain Dew going. Let me know in the comment section below where else you'd like to see me try fast food challenges. Also, I have a wand for sale on Etsy. It's autographed on the blade of it. It's a bit more expensive, but that goes towards me getting some groceries. It'll come with the signed bandana as well. And if you can't make the payment on that, I appreciate it. I might lower it a couple $100 or so. We'll see. That god of pheromone beard oil leaves that soft and silky. Well, now there's only 11 left. Oh snap. 12 of these 11 left. Can we do it, YouTube? We shall try. Oh, I call it sauce. Copyright intended. You need to mix the fire, the hot, and the Diablo. Hopefully YouTube don't copyright strike me. Got a little burn to it, yo. Look out.